One of my followers on YouTube was asking a couple of times if I could make some chips for his kids. Potato chips, as you know, are not healthy recipes for kids, especially. As a matter of fact, for anyone. And I was thinking this is going to be a real challenge. Potato chips are deep fried items, and the extreme heat gives it the crispiness, the crunchiness, and the taste of potato is also, very delightful. Indeed, I like them myself. So I wasn't sure if I could replicate something similar on raw food style. But then I thought, here is a challenge someone has thrown at me. I could take it or leave it, and let me see what I could make out of it. Maybe I'll come out with something which may not be as good as potato chips, maybe something better and definitely something healthier. And if I couldn't make it, so that's about it. Whatever video I had shot can be thrown away. I experiment almost every time I make any recipe. So if it comes out well, it becomes a video, otherwise it wouldn't. So I tried these Ashgott chips. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? I had been waiting all night and thinking that it will take at least one more day for the Ashgott chips to dehydrate. But I am very pleasantly surprised. Within few hours, a lot of it had already dehydrated. Nevertheless, I left it overnight, and by morning it was completely dehydrated and very, very crispy. If you are unsure, listen to this sound. It's very, very crispy. I have not tasted it. I want to keep the surprise element always for the video shoot, so I have not tasted it yet. Tasting time, always excited. Quite hot. I like it. There's a lot of chili. I like it hot anyway. The lemon sourness definitely caught on to it. The sound that we were listening to is kind of a misleading. It is quite crispy on the outside, but once I start biting it, I could actually feel a lot of fiber. I will have to chew it until I can actually eat it. That is to be expected in retrospect. It is easier to give the analysis once you know the answer. So that's how I am here now. Actually, this was to be expected. This couldn't have been like potato chips. The reason is pretty simple. This is not a completely starchy item. It's a fiber rich item. Anything fiber rich, when you break it, it will not crumble completely. The fiber is still holding on to it. So the chewiness is there in the chips. It doesn't feel like potatoes completely. That does not mean that it doesn't feel anything like potato chips either. It does feel. The moment you take it into your mouth, it does feel like potato chips. It's quite crunchy, brittle on the outside. I like it. But then once you start chewing it, the fibrous can be felt. The fibrous nature can be felt. I like the chips. Definitely I am going to make much more of these in future. This is an item I will keep repeating. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell.